Okay, so this is going to be a video about making candles for the UCO candle lantern. 3 of these normal candles cost €6. That's quite a price. And the beeswax ones are even more expensive, and these ones are self-made. So I made this mold, and you can buy this kind of, it's some kind of silicone mixture. Like if you search tutorials for making candle molds, you see how this works. And to actually get the candles out, it's quite important to have this cut here. So I'm gonna make now one candle, show you how I do it. Take some wick, and you will need to figure out what is the right wick diameter. So you need to make some experimentations, and I can tell you, do not go by these formulas where it tells you, like, see, there's a hole in the bottom. That's where the wick was when I made this other candle, or when I made the mold. So when you go by these tables where it says, like, what is the right diameter wick for what diameter candle, it's not the diameter of the candle we're talking about, it's the diameter of this opening here. See, the candle is a lot thicker than this opening, so you need to take this as the diameter, not the diameter of the candle. And then different candle materials, beeswax apparently, or obviously, needs a different diameter than some other wax. And now can I get it again? Yes, so there we go. So now I just pull this all the way to the end, like so, and then I'll just poke my needle through here. Just adjust the camera a bit. So I'll just poke the needle through here. It doesn't need to be, the middle or something. So it's just there, and then I pull on the end down here, kind of pulling the wick tight. And now you see I have the wick placed in the middle. And now, important, do not forget to put this rubber band around this split here. So what I was about to say is, like, the diameter of the wick is what decides, will your flame be too big or will it be too small? So what will happen if you have a too big wick in here? It will get a high, big, sooty flame, and you will melt the wax faster than the candle can burn, and the wax will, melt and go down and make a big mess. On the other hand, if you get the diameter of the wick too small, the flame will burn down into the candle and eventually extinguish. So UCO is keeping the mixture of their wax and the diameter of the wick quite a secret. So I've been experimenting a lot, and so now I take... Oh, and then, what is the temperature at what you burn your candle? Apparently, in room temperature, it's a different story than when you burn it outside, or if you burn it in a heated tent. So I just have some molten wax here now. This is not beeswax. This is just something, and maybe I still move these rubber bands a bit higher up and adjust the camera a bit more, and then you just pour it into here. Yep, and that was it. So, and then like when the wax will cool down, it will still go down a bit, right? The wax will shrink in volume, so it won't go thinner, but it will go down. So if you want, you could later add more wax. I have a few more of my own candles that there's another video I've made, like this is leftover wax from, you know, what I gather. So this is just a bottle cap, punch a hole with a screwdriver in it, flatten the sides, take this rubber seal out first, and this needs 2 matches as a wick, and this is actually the wick holder of the candle, tea light, and this is just enough for 1 match. So I'm wondering if I will make these also. At least this one I will make. Oops, this is warm. And some over the matches itself. And this is a bit too not stable enough here on this paper. Okie doke. Yeah. So that's it. Easy. But it's a nice hobby and nice experimentation. I recommend. Have a good time. Bye bye and greetings from this off-grid yurt in the subarctic. That's my face. Haha. I'll have this camera wrapped around. So enjoy life, take good care, subscribe, share, like whatever you like, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.